Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Bertrand Rodriguez from Detail Culture. So today, I'm gonna talk about cleaning your nav screen. And you see how that's all dirty? You can see everything in there. It's pretty nasty, huh? We're gonna get that cleaned up, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's get to the video. All right. So what we're gonna do to detail this nav screen, you're gonna need a dedicated interior cleaner. And today, I'm using Gyeon Interior Detailer, and that's what it's made for. To clean pretty much anything inside the vehicle. So what we're gonna do here. So I got this towel right here. This is a Rag Company towel. It is a 70-30 blend. And what I mean by 70-30, the first number is going to be polyester, 70%, and the 30% of it is going to be polyamide. Polyamide is a very soft and expensive microfiber. So you're going to want more of that than anything else. You know, sometimes they have like 80-20, they have 85-15. You definitely want to go with a 75 or a 70-30 for this because it's the softest on this screener. You don't really want to scratch this up or nothing like that. So what we're going to do, shake up your bottle of your interior cleaner. We're going to spray that on. And like I said, if you spray on your seat like this, I see how I just missed on that. That's fine. I can just mop that up on that side. So here I'm going to do, you don't want to spray directly on the screen to get it dirty or to get it saturated. You just want it clean. So just a little bit on the towel, and then use your fingernails to get in those cracks, right? So I got one side of the microfiber towel sprayed on. I can flip it. This is the sprayed side. I can flip it so it's a nice dry clean side. And all I do is do the same thing. You know, you don't want to need to apply a lot of pressure, just enough to get it clean, because you don't want to scratch it or dent it or anything like that. Just enough. Just a nice soft towel like this is. And then you can see there, yeah, it could have been a scratch beforehand. This is the used car, but it is way cleaner than what it was. You know what I'm saying? Now, if this was like brand new, I'm sure the little scratch wouldn't be there, but it is what it is. And this is how you do it. So, and I hope this video helps you out to help you clean your nav screen, and y'all have a blessed day.